Good day everyone. Welcome back again to Catch Up Podcast channel. Today we talk about my latest book review novel, Maze Runner. The Maze Runner is a science fiction adventure novel based by James Dashner. It tells the story of a group of teenagers trapped in a mysterious place called Glade, surrounded by a giant wall and dangerous maze. The film combines action, suspense, mystery, making viewers curious. This novel is not only about entertaining but also meaningful because it shows themes of survival, teamwork, leadership, and courage. It keeps the audience interested as they try to discover the secret behind the maze together with characters. The story begins when a boy named Thomas wakes up inside a moving elevator with no memory of his past. When the elevator opens, he finds himself in the glade, a large open area surrounded by high walls that form a giant maze. He meets other boys who explain that they were also sent there with no memories except their names. Every day the selected runners go to the maze to map the paths and search for the way out before the wall closes at night. The maze is extremely dangerous because it contains deadly robotic creatures called grievers. When Thomas arrives, he quickly shows bravery and curiosity, which makes a good impact. And soon, a girl named Teresa arrives with a message that everything would be about to change. Strange events begin to happen, forcing the group to work together and face many risks. In the end, they manage to escape the maze only to discover that their situation is a larger experiment. One of the strengths of the novel is strong suspense and exciting action scene. The Maze Runner is visually impressive and its fast pacing keeps reader engaged from beginning to end. The actor also play their character very well, showing fear, leadership, and determination. Another good aspect is the novel teamwork and courage. It teaches reader that cooperation and trust are important in solving problems. And the character of Thomas show bravery, the leadership is also inspiring. The novel has not good parts of the story that not are fully explained, which can leave readers confused about the purpose of the experiment, and certain characters also receive limited background development and just suddenly vanish. Despite these flaws, the novel remains effective because it creates excitement and curiosity. It successfully captures the feeling of mystery and survival, which makes it enjoyable for fans. And thank you for listening, everyone. This is Catch Up. Thank you for listening my podcast again. See you on my next podcast. Bye. This